Welcome to Module 12. The next tool we are going to learn is the Burn tool. So let's come over here and we're going to select a rectangle marquee tool. Let's select the face of the snake. Have the background layer selected. Command C to copy. Come over here. Command V to paste. And with the Burn tool, what I'm going to do, it's the opposite of the Dodge tool. So click O, keyboard shortcut, and the Burn tool is the second option. Let's make it smaller. You can make it smaller by hitting the brackets by the P or right clicking, change the size here. I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to do, first let's rename it Snake. I'm going to duplicate it just so you can see the before and after. Snake burned. Okay. So come in here and I'm just going to burn just the areas of black and just the cracks between the scales just to add a little bit of definition. So come in here, just go ahead and burn these a little bit darker. Going to burn the pupil a little bit. Going to burn it that way there's more contrast with the nostril. Okay, so if I click the eyeball over here in the layers, you can see the before and after. So before it just looked like a cute, gentle little snake. After it looked a lot more intense and it looks like the snake means business. And then I'm actually going to take my Dodge tool here that we learned in a previous module. And I'm going to just paint over the green area a little bit just to make that green eyeball pop a little bit more. There you go. You can see it's getting lighter and the green is popping through. So you can see the before and after. Now the snake really means business. Okay, Shift Command 4 to take a screenshot to upload to eCadence.